In this video, we'll cover replacement of the LED lamps in the Lippert pop-up roof system. To perform this procedure, you'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. Pull the magnetized ring off of the base of the LED. Remove the 4 mounting screws, using a Phillips head screwdriver. Gently pull the LED base free of the fiberglass and decouple its connection to the wiring harness. Snap the LED's wire lead coupler to the wiring harness. Tuck the wiring into the compartment, then align the lamp base to the mounting points on the fiberglass. Secure the lamp base to the fiberglass using 4 screws and your Phillips head screwdriver. Replace the magnetized ring to conceal the screws to complete the LED replacement procedure.